Does your product need a custom-made graphic overlay or a custom label, decal or nameplate? Then meet Woodrow, your graphics gurus.
One of the things that has always excited me about Woodrow is we work with anybody and everybody, from large companies to very small individuals who may be looking for design help from conception, a napkin drawing, from very small complex parts to very large parts to even larger. We have printing capabilities for up to 6 by 6 foot.
For innovative and high-quality interfaces, talk to David.
Hello, I'm David Brown from Woodrow. We specialize in graphic overlays, pressure-sensitive labels, human interface displays, and control panels. We are located in Springfield, Ohio, between Dayton and Columbus. We're global, and that's beyond the country. 95% of our customers are OEMs. Our product line starts with some of the simplest type of labels, which is a vinyl, down and dirty, 3-color print. We're a very diversified company with our products. It goes from simple to some of very complex backlit displays that go in cockpits of airplanes, all the way into durable overlays, second surface printed that goes into very harsh environments, restaurant food equipment to industrial applications as well. This is a graphic overlay. It is 7 to 8 printed colors. Currently it's produced via screen printing. We can produce this digitally as well. It's back surface printed, has a LED window in it as well. The unique characteristic on some of these things that people don't see from the front is a selective adhesive that is pre-die cut and applied to the part itself, allowing areas where the adhesive will not make contact with buttons and or the windows and LED areas as well. It's second surface printed, so all the ink is applied from the backside before adhesive is laminated to the back and is die cut, so the ink is protected by the thickness of the material. Many times customers or clients will come to us and ask us to provide a kit so that when they're assembling their products, they don't have to go to multiple bins to provide the actual labels, to source the labels that go on a particular build. So we will design and kit their parts so that their assembly process is streamlined. When you fly or board an airline, you're looking at some of our product that we produce every day. These are backlit plastic products. Some of them are also made via glass. So you have these in the cabin of the aircraft, and they're backlit. And then we also have nomenclatures that are produced and used in the cockpit. So very tight specifications. Our roots in aviation go clear back to the John Glenn Mercury missions, where we provided assistance in designing the control panels that he used in his spacecraft, to the modern day Air Force One. This unique part requires many applications, from masking to screen printing to drilling to counterboring. It has high specifications, and it is used on the wingtip of an airplane to cover up the lighting feature. Woodrow is very happy to supply prototype quantities, pre-production quantities, 2,000 to 25,000, all the way up to 250,000. We will do small production runs, prototypes, samples. We're here to be your single source provider. If you have a question or requirement, even if it's something that we can't provide you with, we're here to help. You can call David, Tanner, or Brandon, or you can contact us at woodrowcorp.com.